If y'all ready to turn your ebook into a lead magnet that grows your coaching business, you want to stick around because I am sharing 3 of my best tips to make it work. Hello, if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Hello, it's your girl, Jackie D. McKeever, your favorite Southern coach. Listen, today we're diving on the using a digital product called an ebook as a lead magnet to build your visibility, to convert your leads, everything that a lead magnet do, and to nail it the first time around. Let's get started. So, y'all know the first thing you do, you want to identify which pain point or pillar you're going to write your ebook around. Okay, so for example, if you're a financial coach, if you deal with personal finances, you want to maybe create a ebook that tells them how to properly assign their income and not just leave it to will. You know, that's a big problem with personal finances, right? Or if you are a financial coach who deal with businesses, you might be teaching new business owners how to manage and grow their business through investing. That would be a great topic, but you want to make sure that you're tackling an issue that you have other solutions to. Don't just go all willy-nilly and just pull something out of the hat that you don't plan on taking from cradle to grave, okay? That's why I suggest that you create the ebook based on one of your business's pillars. Now, if you all don't know what a pillar is, listen, y'all know your girl got you. I'll put information in one of these corners for you to use where I talk a little bit about pillars. The next thing is you want to create valuable content around your ebook. And this valuable content that I'm talking about is on your social media. On your social media. Any advertising or promotion, anywhere that you're planning on showing that ebook, the information that you give need to be practical, tips, steps, something to draw the audience onto that ebook, because the ebook is the thing that you're promoting. Okay, this is the purpose of the content. So before you start, you want to create content that will 10 times your reach and 10 times your sales. And you know your girl got you on that too. So if I don't put it in one of these corners, you want to check down in the description under what to watch next, because that YouTube video will be down there for sure. The next tip that I'm going to talk to you about, because I can go on and on about ebooks, okay? An ebook is a great digital product to grow your coaching business, right? And you might say, well, I'm coaching. Why am I doing digital products? Honey, your job is to build awareness, okay? People don't know that you exist, okay? And if there is still a huge market for books and digital products, you want to increase your revenue, okay, so that you can keep promoting your thing and staying motivated and convert these leads to clients, okay? You want to do what it takes to reach those people, and you know that they're buying ebooks and other digital products. So anyway, now that I got off of that soapbox, the next step I want to tell you all about is promoting. You want to strategically promote that ebook. I'm going to say it again. You want to strategically promote that ebook. Listen, consistency is the key. You don't want to just say day one, buy my ebook, sign up for my ebook. No, you want to make sure that you create content, maybe 5 to 10 useful content that kind of slowly introduce the ebook without selling the ebook. Okay, you want to slowly get the audience minds and hearts into the information you're about to sell them. Okay, this way you are nurturing your leads. Okay, and you are building credibility that gets the audience excited for more information. And you want to share this content on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, whatever platform that you commonly visit. That's where you want to do it. Now, in your promotion, you may also want to look into paid ads. You're like, well, Jackie, why would I pay for an ad? I'm trying to make money. Exactly. You're trying to make money. Something that a lot of business owners that you look up to aren't telling you. They spend a lot of money on uh, uh, building brand awareness, and that's through paid ads. Okay, they're not only doing that. Okay, they're coming on live. They're doing collaborations. Now, the collaborations, anywhere you are, and whether you're live with someone else, you're doing a podcast interview, you're doing a collaboration. I want you to get used to hearing that word and what that means. And in that, you want to make sure that when you are introduced as the author of the ebook. You can say, like, for instance, I would be introduced as, welcome to the stage, business coach, author, business coach, and author of Profitable and Popular Niche and Lead Magnet, which is my ebook that you can also find down in the resources. My Popular and Profitable Niche and Lead Magnet guide. But anyway, you would introduce yourself, because that way you can add that into the conversation. You copy what I'm dropping? Great, I knew you would. So you also want to do lives. You want to be more active on your lives and social media pages, because you want to build brand awareness, and you want to start to, this is extra, you want to make sure that you're tracking everything you do. So if you begin to think and feel like the CEO of the boss that you are, and strategically start doing these steps and introducing your ebook, listen, you'll be able to check off everything on your checklist when it comes to using your ebook as your lead magnet and converting your leads into paying customers. Speaking of checklists, if you're in need of a lead magnet checklist, listen, I got you, honey. I created a lead magnet checklist, and you can check out the resource section of this YouTube video in the description and grab your lead magnet checklist. That guide will lead you to the success that you've been wanting and waiting for. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips.